Welcome to LT Outdoors, the channel with everything the outdoor world has to offer.
Oh my God.
That's the biggest yet.
Sun is coming up, bobber's going down. Fish are all biting and jumping all around. Let's hook up the boat, come on, let's go. It's time for LT Outdoors. I'm talking LT Outdoors. Might go hunting, fishing, metal detecting, might even do a little fortune too. I'm talking LT Outdoors. I hope you enjoy the show.
Oh my God.
Special thank you to all my patrons out there. If you want to become a patron, go to patreon.com and look up LT Outdoors. From now on, I will be doing a monthly drawing giveaway as a thank you to all of you for all of your patronage. Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of LT Outdoors. This one's going to be a little shorter than they've been. The fishing was a little tough today. They cracked the dam open this morning, unbeknownst to me, and in doing so, it raises the water up a little and causes turbulence and water dirty and all that stuff, and all those factors make it a little tougher fishing. But I did get some nice fish, had some fun, so I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Let me know what you think and hit that subscribe button.
Didn't take long. There's a drum right in front of me. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, here comes another one. Right in front of me. That's cool. What's great about that is I might be able to sight fish some downstream. I did this last year. That was a riot. Might be able to get these guys to bite, actually. I think there's 3 of them now. Oh, there's 4. Wow. Oh, I think one just went after it. Yep. Oh, he bumped it with his nose and that was it. There's one. There's a fish. Now I think once I start wading, I'm waiting on my buddy Matt right now and his kids to get here, but I think once I start wading, I'll get into a lot more of these. That's what I want to do today. Today I'm using this Lunker City Ribster. My buddy sent me these, Steve. He always sends me some cool lures. I thought I'd try these out. Oh, dear got me. I swear I'm like a walking metal detector. I pulled off the river here to retie because I broke my line. And I look in the sand. Look at this big old snagging lure. Chinook 2. That thing's still got a lot of paint. That's in good shape for, you know, probably back in the 80s, and it's just chilling there. Oh my God. These dang deer are gonna kill me. Ooh, there's a fish. That's a nice bass too. Ooh, that's what I want to see. Oh, that's what I want. I love those jumps. First big Big smallie on the Lunker City Grubster. That's cool. That's what I was hoping for. It's been a while. It's been slow, I think, because they raised the dam on us. Come here, buddy. Yeah, look at that pretty color right there. Nice bronze. Nice. It's just a little one, but oh, he got hooked in the side. Oh, poor little guy. He'll be okay though. Bringing some food back into the hole. There's a fish. That's a big fish. That's another big fish. Oh, it's huge. I don't know what it is. I think it's a big bass. Oh, actually, I've got a smaller bass. There's a giant chasing him. I mean, the bass I got ain't bad, but there's a bigger one behind it. Holy cow. Well, maybe I can get the bigger one on the next cast. That's always cool. Oh, through those. That's alright. I can't really take pictures today anyway. My phone's in my bag. Let's see if that bigger one hits it. There's fish. Rock bass, I think. Yep. There's fish. Oh, that came out so fast. There's a fish. A good fish. Oh yeah, nice bass. Nice bass. Another bronze colored. Good fish. Look at that. They are just so pretty. So pretty. There's one. Oh, I watched that fish hit it. Look how big that drum is, guys. Look at the size of that drum. Oh, sight fishing at its finest. That's why they are not a garbage fish. Oh, bouncing that baby on the bottom, and I watched that sheephead come up and grab that. These drum are amazing and just really big fish. Look at this. They remind me of an ocean fish. Look at that. He just smoked that right off the bottom. That's bigger than the one I got yesterday even. Good Lord. Wow. What a giant. See, that's Master Angler right there, guys. If I hadn't already had it. That thing is massive. Wow. And I don't even have the camera. I can't get a picture. See, baby. That's amazing.
Become part of Team LT Outdoors? It's easy. All you got to do is go to Etsy.com, type in LT Outdoors, and you can go to the LT Outdoors store. I have so much stuff in there in stock right now, guys. Lots of really cool hats, really cool shirts, and I am making new designs almost every single day. So make sure you stop in there, check out LT Outdoors at Etsy.com, and check out what I got in there. Also, you can become a patron. Go to Patreon.com, and you can put in your monthly support for LT Outdoors to help me with all my travels and everything else that it takes for me to get out and do what I do. And last but not least, if you guys would like a free decal, I pay for these, but I send them out for free for you guys because I love to have you guys driving around with these on your vehicles. Email me, ltoutdoors15@yahoo.com, and I will send these out for free. Bass Brothers Lures and Baits, everything for the serious trapper. Wellman's Bait and Tackle in Oscoda, Michigan. Cowboy Coffee Chew, a cup and a pinch. RBM Jigs and Lake Effect Lure Co., everything for the serious ice fisherman, and now summer tackle too. Sportsman's Connection, find the right hole. And Crooked Bend, the leader in Michigan food plot mixes.
You know, for a crazy homeless person, he's pretty cut.